Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the themes that are available on Shopify that you could use. Now, obviously, one of the major problems which a lot of individuals tend to face whenever they start their dropshipping journey is the fact that they can't find amazing, properly built themes that they could use for their landing pages. And it's for that reason, a lot of times their business does not take off. And you need to understand that whenever you select a particular theme, it needs to have the right dynamics for your landing page. It needs to understand and know exactly what you're selling and how you're selling and present that information in the right way. And that is the reason why I recommend to individuals to always select the theme from the free themes that are available on Shopify. And whenever you start developing your business, always make sure to keep your fixed costs as low as possible. There's a lot of themes that are available that are very good, but they're very expensive to use. And you want to make sure that you start off in the right way so you do not burden your business with a lot of fixed costs. And it's for that reason we're making this absolutely brilliant video for you guys, so watch it till the end to understand exactly how to implement and find the right theme for your business on Shopify, because Shopify is a platform where you can build your business. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and you can discover the reasons why millions of entrepreneurs are choosing Shopify to build their business. And obviously that gives us a million ways to understand what we need to do right and the mistakes that we need to avoid. And we have done our research in selecting the right strategy implementation, the right theme selection, the right methodology that we need to have to ensure that we can start a successful business on Shopify. Shopify is also available in 170 countries. That literally means that we have access to 170 different markets and people inside those markets that are interested in buying items and products. So that means that your business will never go down. It will never decrease. It will never fall. You will be always in a position to actually have someone that would be interested in buying your product and your item or your service if you market it, develop it, execute it, and implement it in the correct way by using the right strategies that we're bringing you available on our channel. If you haven't checked our other videos out, guys, go ahead to our channels and check them out. They'll be very helpful for you guys. Now, obviously, when you need to understand the amount of business that Shopify does is very important. It does $444 billion of global economic activity. Even if you're able to achieve 0.001% of that, that would be more than enough for you. And one of the reasons I personally love Shopify is the fact that you can build your online front store quite easily with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required, and obviously that literally means that you do not need to hire a front-end developer, a back-end developer, a UI or UX individuals. Everything is done for you because you can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. And more than that, you can add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that have been built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations, and you can focus on building your business, growing your business, implementing and executing the correct strategy. We live in a global world today, guys, and obviously because we live in this internet age, we need to make sure that we use all the tools at our disposal and we harness the power of these tools for our benefits, because this is an opportunity that no one other than us had before in the past. Because right now we can reach as far as the US, as far as Australia or New Zealand or South Africa or Argentina or Russia or the UK or even Iceland for that matter. And by using and harnessing all this power, we can access many markets. And with the best converting checkout on the planet, as well as the flexible point of sales that can power our stores, Shopify gives us this opportunity. You can reach new leads, you can engage with customers, and you can build on the data that you get. You can even streamline your back office and oversee your operations, fulfill every orders, and manage your money where you make it. And all you need to do is click on the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. If you don't have Shopify, just click on start for free trial and it will take you to the next page where you will need to answer a couple of questions. And after answering those questions, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your homes, you can have your orders, you can have your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, your discounts, and your online store. Now we're going to look at the different themes that are available on our online store. Now, as you can see right now, we have a default theme that's available, but we look at the popular themes that are available as well. But we want to visit the theme store and see all the different themes that are available and which one we should be using for our store. Now, every single business is different, guys. The price is different, the actual material is different, the cost is different, and we need to make sure that we select the right theme that's available. Now, as you can see, some themes are free and some themes are paid for. Now, this theme is for $350. This theme is free, so we want to make sure we start with the free theme and then gradually go over and get to the theme that we can actually pay for and use the element for. So let's check out this theme over here, and once we click on it, we'll be taken to the theme itself. Now this is what the theme is going to be. It includes quick view, mega menu, and sticky header as well. We want to view the demo over here and see how this is going to look on our main page like that. Now as you can see, the aesthetic sense is well developed, the color coordination is done quite well, and obviously the implementation of the products is done in a very good manner. If you hover over with the mouse, you can see different elements of this product, the price, the name tags, everything is available. And obviously one of the things that I absolutely love about this is the fact that the way they have structured it is in a very good manner. You have your videos, you have your pictures, you have your information, and the good thing about it is if you want to buy this product, all you need to do is click on the product. Now once you click on the product, you'll get the color, the size, the material, the picture for it, the size guides for it. You can add it to the cart, you can buy it right now if you want to, and all and every single element that you require is going to be made available for you. And you even get more options as well as if you want to buy anything else from here. You can also check the way it's going to look on your mobile, and I personally feel that the way that they've developed it is very good, because this is developed by individuals that understand the dynamics, that understand the elements, that understand the color coordinations, that understand the user experience and user interface for customers and the psychology of the customers to ensure that they're able to select and develop something that truly stands out. If you want to check out one that really stands out, for example, that's for paid for, this is for $320. If we click on it, we'll be taken to the next page where it's going to give us all the elements over here, which is going to be age verifier, the color swatches, the mega menus, the stickers, and there are more features as well. So we're going to check the demo over here and see how this actually looks. This is a paid theme. Obviously, this is not something that we want to start off initially, but we want to grow. If you look at the way that they've developed it, the element over here is moving as we scroll up and down, which really adds a lot of features to it. And you can clearly see the difference between the paid and the one that is free in this element over here. As you can see, everything changes, everything moves, everything has a lot of elements available for it. So that makes it really stand out. The color coordinations are really good, the color aesthetic sense is very good, and the way they've developed it really makes something that is very unique. And that is the reason I always recommend individuals to understand and start off with something that is free, then gradually go over to the one that is paid for, because you want to make sure that your fixed cost is remaining as low as possible before you're actually moving to something that is paid. They also have theme styles that you can change. So we're going to go for pastel, and as we go for pastel, you will see all the colors are going to be changed over here, and this is what it's going to look like right now. And that is the reason I love getting themes that are already developed, because it gives an option for us to select and change and customize and develop to make sure that it is reflecting our business brand and building upon that brand. And we can do so much customization and personalization of all the themes that are available on Shopify to really make it look like that it is our own brand, and it actually reflects the ethos of our brand, the vision of our brand, the mission of our brand. And that is why you always want to make sure that you get a theme that is being developed by individuals that understand and execute their actual ideologies based on principles and knowing exactly what they need to do and how they need to do it. And obviously, once you have someone with that ability, you will be able to select elements that are truly unique. So let's head back over here and check out one of the other themes that is available. Now, this is a free theme that I showed you over here. So I want to select a theme that really is a very good theme, which you don't need to pay for. You can use the filters on the top over here. So let's go and click the free themes over here. As we click the free themes, you'll get hold of all the free themes that are available. Now, this is a theme that I personally really like because the way it's been developed makes it look really good. Now, as you can see, the color coordinations, the moving of the logo gives it a very nice edge to an overall theme, because whenever you come to a drop shipping store, whenever you come to a landing page on any of these stores, you want to make sure that your product is the first thing that is displayed, and the way that it's been displayed is very aesthetically pleasing. The color combination is very good, the way they're representing information is very good, and that is the reason why you want to select a theme from Shopify to ensure that you never get any hiccups at all with the themes that you get from Shopify. And there's any issues that you face, you can easily get in touch with the support and they'll be able to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. Now guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.